Okay, in this video we will talk about how to filter and then also how to custom sort. So first, to show you how to filter, I always make sure that A1 is the box that's selected just for good measure. Up here under the Home tab, you'll see Sort and Filter right over here. Click that and click Filter. Now you have different options, and then like right here, if your family IDs are highlighted, then you can filter by color, and you can click the highlight for only those that are in families, or anybody that's not in a family, it'll all show up right here. You can do number filters, so if you're looking at grades, you can do like greater than or equal to 60, so that means that the grade is passing, or less than or equal to 60, that would be anyone who has a failing grade, um, things like that. You can show between, so if you're looking for people that have between A's and B's, the top 10 grades, things like that. So there's all kinds of filtering options. And then here's basic sorts. You can do sorting by color. You can do smallest to largest or largest to smallest, but then I'm going to also show you how to filter and sort by a couple different things. So within the filter, you can just select no. You can click multiple options this way. You can also search, like if you have a large large list of last names, you could search the last name and then it will pop up there. Okay. How to do a custom sort, like let's say that you want to show everyone who's coming to the outing first, and then you want to show their last names in alphabetical order. So you go up here to sort and filter, custom sort, and here's levels that you can do. So whichever level is first is what it will calculate first. So you'll do sort by, and we want to do are you coming to the outing is the first level, so that'll do people's responses first, and then within each response we want it to filter or sort by the last name A to Z. So now we're telling it to show me everyone who said yes, no, or maybe first, and then within each of those categories, sort by their last name. And there you go.